Did your baby just turn 6 months and is extremely cranky all the time? Are you feeling worried and helpless? Are you frantically looking for ways to calm your irritant baby? Then this video is going to be a lifesaver for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you certain things that you should be aware of when your baby is teething, ways to calm your baby, and 4 tips to maintain oral hygiene of your newborn baby. 6 months is an extremely critical age for a baby because this is the time when most of the babies start getting their teeth. It is an excellent idea to start oral care immediately after you see his or her first teeth. It is highly recommended that you make your first dental visit for the baby once the first teeth has appeared in the mouth. Here are a few things that you should be aware of as parents or guardians. Teething is an extremely natural process, and during this time, infants can feel restless, they may have loss of appetite, they may even develop fever, but there is no reason why you should panic. The majority of the children are highly irritable and cranky during this time. Although in a newborn baby you do not see any teeth in the mouth, it is there within the jaws. So teeth begins to come in the oral cavity anywhere between 3 to 9 months. It varies from baby to baby. And also during this time, the babies require emotional support from the parents. You should also know the teething sequence. So first the lower incisors and upper incisors come. This is followed by the first molars behind, and then canines, and finally the second molars appear. And by 3 years, most of the children have their full set of primary teeth. When the teething process begins, most of the babies develop soreness or tenderness of the gums and also some amount of itching. You may use clean teething toys or teething rings for the baby to chew on. I highly recommend using a teething device like this. So this one is a fruit or vegetable teether. You can place your fruit or vegetable inside this and give the baby for chewing. So some amount of fruit juices will go into the baby's tummy, so that's really good. My personal favorite is giving a washed clean carrot, cold carrot to chew on. So now 4 tips to maintain your baby's oral hygiene. So immediately after the first teeth comes into the oral cavity, or once you see the first teeth in the oral cavity, you should start brushing your baby's teeth. So initially you should not use toothpaste. After the baby is around 2 years, you can use toothpaste under your supervision so that the baby doesn't swallow the toothpaste. Until then, without toothpaste, just soft bristled toothbrush will do. Second important tip is to give water to the baby after every feed to flush the oral cavity. Third tip is to massage your baby's gums with a clean finger. This is important because it will promote blood circulation, which will help in the teething process to calm the baby, and also it will promote the emergence of the teeth or the teeth eruption. Fourth and the most important tip is to maintain oral hygiene by practicing oral hygiene practices twice daily for at least 2 minutes. Here's a bonus tip. Never ever dip the pacifiers in honey or any sweet substances before giving it to your baby. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe and share this video so that it reaches to as many parents as possible. And if you have any doubt related to oral hygiene for your baby, for yourself or for any loved ones, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video and see you soon.